This is part one of a tutorial for MannheimChamber.com WordPress website. This is going to be the part where I share how to edit the slider area and configure the graphics and upload them to the proper place. This video is for Manheim Chamber slider for the home page. First thing you'll want to do is make sure you're logged into the back end. And you can go ahead and go to Gallery and then over to Manage Galleries. And we're going to just click on the home slideshow for right now. You'll notice that all of the pictures are here in the slideshow. And this is using nextgen galleries slideshow. It's all organized. You'll notice a couple things right when you get here. You can check this box to make changes globally to every picture, or you can uncheck that and check individual boxes. You can also do some differing edits by highlighting over top of one of the images. You can see view, metadata for the picture, thumbnails. You can rotate your pictures. You can publish that image, or you can delete that image. Each image has some information with it, a thumbnail, a title, when it was published, or when that picture was actually made in the original, and then the size. It also has some alternate text, which if you hover over the images back on the website, you will, if they have alt text with them, a little box will pop up along with that. I recommend putting in alt information just so that if someone's using a screen reader, they'll actually see that text. Plus it also helps you organize your photos. So what I'm going to do is swing over to Photoshop. I already have a slider document made, which I'll email over to you. This is basically the template that I use. The image size is sorry about that, a loud truck went by. The image size for the slideshow is 700 by 350 pixels wide at 72 dpi. This is made for web, so that's why it's a smaller pixel ratio. But 700 by 350 is what you want to look at as far as creating your image. I'm just going to hit OK. So I noticed that there's a couple images over here of Barron Insurance. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is click on that, and I'm going to copy the image, basically just using this as an example for this template. This default template that I have has several layers in it, so you can just go to the top of it. You can hit paste since we copied that image, or if you are familiar with Photoshop, you can create a new layer and add your artwork that way, but I'm just going to hit paste. So it's going to put the artwork right over top. And since the picture is not tall enough, I'm going to go ahead and grab the pixels here. Oops, I want the horizontal, not the vertical. And I'm going to hit V, which takes me to the transform tool, and just pull up those pixels there at the end. And we'll do that again. And slide it down. So you can do many things here. You can just do a simple logo like that. Some of the other examples I have are, this was a screenshot from the Rural Insurance website. For Mountain View, I put the picture of the family, the family owned, and then their logo there. So there's a couple different options. You know, if you're familiar with Photoshop, you can kind of play around with that. But just for this tutorial, I'm just going to paste in an image. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this image out. So I hit Command-Shift-S or Control-Shift-S if you're on a PC. And I'm going to save as a JPEG. And this is going to be Barron, what are they? Barron Insurance Group, right? Yep, Barron Insurance Group. And I have this banners, which is my home page folder, where I'm just going to save that out as. So I hit saved. You want to maintain the highest quality, so I'm going to hit 12 or I can drag that over. Hit OK. So now we've saved the picture. So now we're going to hop back over to our gallery, and what we want to do, since we're going to be adding a new picture, we're going to go Add Gallery Image, and this is going to bring up this little upload image. We're going to select our file. It's going to bring a drop down, and then we're going to want to go over to where you have that picture saved. So for me, it's within my Manheim Chamber folder, and we're going to go to Banners, and there's Barron Insurance Group. So we're going to hit Open. You can select multiple files in there by holding down Shift and clicking through, or you can do one at a time. It doesn't really matter. Since we're not using the default size for the gallery, we're not going to check this box. But you'll notice that the image is right there. And this is important. You want to make sure that you choose the home slideshow, which we've done, and then we're going to upload the image. And nextgen will run through its uploader and create a thumbnail. And then we're going to pop back over to Manage Galleries, Home Slideshow, and you'll notice we have a 700 by 350 pixel wide image of Barron Insurance Group. And so what we're going to do there, it looks like you might have been working as I was working. So for this example, we'll just keep going, but we'll hit Save Changes. And if we pop up over and refresh the home page, the Barron Insurance Group is right there. So that's real simple on how to add them to the home page, and what we'll do is we'll delete the other one that it looks like was being added while we were working on this. So I'll just show you how to do that real quick. We'll hit Delete, and we'll hit OK. And now when we pop over and we hit Refresh, you'll notice the first one's that image, which is what I just did, and the second one should be the Susquehanna, which is right there. So that's how to add that, and that's all for this. And I will be sending another video in a few moments with how to update the widget with the featured businesses. If you have any questions, please email me at jonathan.ober@me.com. Thank you.